Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I'm here with Miss Jam Tours, Amesh and Jamesh.
Yeah, the backseat with the boys.
So Miss Jam Tours says she wanna come and buy something for me for Father's Day.
Yes.
So we had a place called Surge Center Family, and I'm here just to take her to do the shopping.
Yeah, you had to bring me in as much as it's a surprise. But I'll leave you outside.
Yeah, family. So we just here, and I'm looking for parking. It's a Thursday here in Kenya, and it seems like
Nothing is fun.
a lot of persons are in the mall today.
Although these ones are coming out.
Looking to shopping. Which one?
These ones, right? This is the road for coming out.
Yeah. A lot of people will come out from that side. I think maybe I have no one behind me. Amesh, how are you? How are you? You're fine? You're fine. Yummy.
Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Tell them bye-bye.
Da. Ma. Bye. Bye. Boom, bye.
This place is hot and no wind is coming.
Boom, bye. Boom, bye, Ina. Boom, bye, Ina boy head. We not promote no. Them off it. These people coming out. Alright, family. So it seems like we got a little parking. Let's go back.
Look, there's a car behind you.
I know.
Oh.
I have to go give way for this guy can come out.
Okay. Which one? Oh, that one. Oh.
Yes, maybe I can get it.
I hope he's coming out because that's a perfect spot.
Yeah, family. So we at Surge Center, Miss Jam Tours. So she want to buy me something. So for Father's Day.
I want to buy something
So
for my husband. For my better half.
So let's go.
Absolutely.
You said never let me go. 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 You said never.
There's this man, and he's helpless. Let me
Hold it. Okay, put it in. You can't push it now. Yeah. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam told us she like this for me. She like this for me, so let's see. I mean, she can't push it now because I put the lock on it. Watch it. Watch him. Turn it over this time. Yeah, family, so this is the first one. First shirt. Jam told us try it for me.
How do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Is
But
it big?
I think maybe I like the white one more. It's the right fit.
Is that fit?
Yeah.
But you know they're different. These are
Yeah.
shirts, that's the polo.
That's a polo, yeah. Amesh. Amesh, yeah. Yeah, family, Miss Jam Tours is shopping over there. So Father's Day is this Sunday. So I'll see what she gonna buy for me, family. Hey Amish, leave it. Alright, come. So I'll be there for you. Yeah, family, so I'm here and I was telling Miss Jam Tours, I remember when I used to wear 32. You remember wearing what, 32?
32. We
Wow.
upgraded to 34, now we are 36.
Wow. 36 family. So if you have a woman and you're not put on weight, something is wrong. So I'm now wearing 36.
Imagine.
36. This is what, straight fit or slim fit?
Slim.
36 slim fit. Yeah, I like this pants, it's nice.
I love the feel.
You love the feel.
Not like they'll see what you did yesterday. We were telling
Yeah.
like you should tell these guys because
Yeah.
I didn't like anything there.
Yeah, family. So if you come and you want to get clothes, and you know Kenya, they actually wear matumba clothes, your used clothes, old brock, pupina, I would say in Jamaica. If you need to get new clothes, come to a place called Max. It's a place you can get nice clothes. So, what do you think about this outfit, sweetie?
I love it. Okay, it's not like you put,
Well, I like the shirt
it's not
because.
like you put on the shirt and the jeans. I just need that to get your jeans
Uh-huh.
and something else. But it doesn't mean that you
Put on the shirt and the jeans. Okay,
So
but I like the outfit.
Yeah.
I'll have to make you dress me now, sweetie, because it's like you know to do the thing.
Thank
You know the thing go.
Although these, for the pants, will go well with this.
White shirt.
Right?
Yeah.
But these, there's a specific trouser I'm shopping it for.
Okay. Alright, family. Let's go. Try this one on. Jamesh is making a lot of noise. Alright, family. So this is the white polo. And you know, I don't have any white polo, so Miss Jam Tours get me this one. And it's a nice, it's good. So I'll take this one. I like the material. It's nice. And you know, family. So let's go. Like, share, and comment on the video. It's Father's Day. It's Sperm's Day. It's Sperm's Day, family. Sperm's Day. Alright, family. No sperm's donor day, but it's Sperm's Day. Alright, family. Let's go. Like, share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Father's Day. And I was happy I was able to, you know, reset. And you know, when you have a father, Father's Day come, it feels good to have your kids around you. And for all fathers, you have to create that family base. So you have grandkids or kids or some form of kids around you that in some way, shape or form, you actually impact them life and inspire them to be great in life. So, you know what I mean? That's just my motto. And you know, from now on, I'll try my best to be around my kids. I'll be around my grandkids in Father's Day. You know what I mean? So let's go. Like, share, comment. It's Father's Day. It's Sperm's Day. Not a sperm donor day, but Sperm's Day. Let's go. Ba ba ba. The cashier. Total is how much? Woo woo woo! Yeah, family. So we're just trying on this stuff them, and this Jam Tours is actually gonna pay now. So let's go. It's Father's Day, not a sperm donor day, but it's Father's Day. Let's go. Ami.
Let's go, let's go.
All right, family. Let's go.
Let's go.